Hello coffee lovers. So today, welcome back again, and today we are going to talk about water retention in our coffee. So we are going to brew the coffee and calculate the amount of water that is going to be retained in the coffee grinds. So today we are going to use this coffee. It is a Colombian coffee. Yeah, and we are going to do V60 hot. Then after all, we are going to determine the amount of water that is retained in the grinds. So this one will help us to calculate the amount of water that we need for the brew, and it helps to prevent the over extraction and under extraction in the coffee. So this Colombian coffee, yeah, it's processed through thermal shock, and it has got lemongrass, tropical fruit, passion fruit flavors. Those are the notes. So we are going to brew and we are going to test, but the main point today is to calculate the amount of water that will be retained. So the amount of water retained in coffee theoretically is usually between 2 to 2.3 grams per 1 gram of coffee. So if we use 20 grams of coffee, yeah, roughly around 44 grams of water should be retained. So we are going to do it together and calculate. So let's do it together. Number one, we are going to use ratio 1 to 15. So we are going to do hot V60, and we are going to use 20 grams of coffee. This is too much, and our outcome will be 300. Twenty grams. Okay. And our water, as we said earlier, water temperature should be between 92 to 96. So our water temperature is at 93, and the grind size for Colombia, we're going to use 7.5. Water is retained in the coffee, and some are retained in the filter. So we are going to calculate the amount that will be retained as per this case. Then we are going to tell the weight of the server, the filter, and the coffee. Then we will find the total weight of the water retained. So this one is the weight after tearing. We are going to start blooming. You pour from the center outside, and the blooming we are going to do to 40. Then first pour to 120, second pour to 220, then the last pour to 300. Then the second pour. We maintain the turbulence at the same time. And the next time we are going to do the extraction yield. Extraction yield, we need a refractometer. So maybe we'll find one and do the extraction yield. Now to 220. So this one is the last power. To 300. Waalaikumsalam. Okay, so we are done. We are going to find the amount of water retained, and we find it to be 43.3. So roughly 44. Yeah. So 44 plus the 300 that we used for extraction. So the total amount of water we used is 344. Thank you, and see you in the next video. We have done our water retention. See you next in our next video, and continue subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll put the link. The link is in the bio, and follow. Thank you. Class.